In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable voice dial on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to change this setting from inside Face ID and passcode. This menu is protected, so you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode before you can toggle anything. First, I'm going to open the Settings app, the grey gear icon. If it's not on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see Settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now Settings is open and we need to get to Face ID and passcode. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list slowly until I see Face ID and passcode. Alright, I see it now, so I'm tapping on Face ID and passcode. Now it's asking for your iPhone passcode, so go ahead and type in your passcode to continue. Once you enter it, you'll land on the Face ID and passcode settings page. Alright, now we're on the Face ID and passcode screen. The setting we're looking for is voice dial, and it's lower on this page, so at this point I'm going to scroll down. I'm moving slowly, reading the labels as they pass by, until I see voice dial. Okay, I see voice dial and there's a toggle switch next to it. Now you can turn it on or off depending on what you want. If you want voice dial enabled, tap the toggle so it turns on and looks active. If you want it disabled, tap the toggle so it turns off and looks inactive. I'm tapping it now to set it to the option I prefer and you'll see it change immediately. There's no save button here, so the change applies right away as soon as you flip the switch. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and voice dial will stay set the way you chose.